We'll guide you through how to find the phone number for contacting Gmail support. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Google support website on your desktop by typing support.google.com in your browser's address bar. Once there, you'll see a range of options. Look for the section that says Contact Us or Help Center. Click on it. You might be prompted to sign in to your Google account if you aren't already. After signing in, you'll find various ways to get help. However, Google does not provide a direct phone number for Gmail support, so what you want to do instead is look for the Contact Us option, which will guide you through various support channels available, such as live chat or email support, depending on your issue. If you're in a specific category of account, such as Google Workspace, there may be a dedicated support number provided. Click on the relevant category that matches your issue, like account recovery or security, and follow the guided prompts to reach the support that applies to you. It's important to note that most of Google's direct support options are through their website chat or email, as they don't widely publicize phone numbers for general support. Always ensure you're on the official Google support site to avoid scams or fraudulent contacts. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.